Hey all, let's see about InFix to PostFix conversion. Before getting into it, let's see the rules first. This exponential operator comes with the higher priority. Then comes the multiplication and division operator. And then finally the addition and subtraction operator with least priority. And the condition is that no two operators of same priority can stay together. Now let's dive into the example. Now let's draw a table and name it as symbol, stack and expression. And this is the example we are going to convert. The first step is to write the given expressions in the symbol column. In this, if the expression is an operand, then it will get into the expressions column. If it is an operator, then it is pushed into the stack. If the closed parenthesis occurs, then the entire operators inside it will be popped out. Since no two operators can be together in the stack, so we pop out the highest priority operators. And that's it. Thanks for watching. You can actually subscribe to my channel, which is free of cost.